working on my daily, and what happened was I was driving here and I seen smoke coming out of the hood out of nowhere. So I just took this clamp off right here because you can see what's coming from here. And these Silverados, what they have in common is these plastic pieces always break. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one off because they're quick connect. So we're gonna get one of these AC fuel line.
What?
We're gonna get one of these AC fuel line disconnect sets to get that off. So you find now successfully picked up all of them. We're gonna figure this out. Well, actually, I'm missing one of them. I have no idea where it went. It kind of just disappeared. Size right there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push it towards the thing, spin it a few times around. It should come out just like that. Okay, so let me take this connector off. As y'all can tell, I've replaced this one, the other one already. But I don't like these plastic ones, so they sell some metal replacement ones, so I might do that, or I might just put the line directly to there. We'll see. Okay, so I gotta find a way to get all that out, and I'll take this clip off and swap it out for one of these instead. Okay, so what I did was I ended up using some pliers and just got in here and broke it into pieces. So now what I'm doing is put it back on. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna just put it back where straight to the metal close to the heater core. And then we'll just use the clamp and tighten it down. I mean, you can get the metal adapter like these, but I don't really. Okay, so that's basically it. It was just a quick and simple fix. Now I just gotta fill it up with coolant. So. Okay, so I went and got some coolant. So I had a little bit in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it just to make sure it's not leaking anywhere. And if it's good, then we'll top it off. Okay, so I ran it for a while and it didn't seem like it was leaking, so we're gonna go ahead and top the coolant off, and that's that.
Lo que yo soñé, eso es lo que estoy viviendo ahora.